Okay, so this is the FLEXA 47XE, so it's an electronic machines. You can see the sizes is around 5-meter machines more or less with the in-feed guide till the end of the machine frame. We have now here a wider 10-inch touchscreen where we can load and save program dedicated to the material we have to work. A quick explanation, we have support for coil H and the in-feed electronic guide. It means that with this one we can set on the computer the thickness of material we want to cut on the panel, and automatically the guide will positioning as being saved on the program. Then we have a pneumatic cylinder as a spacer, so this is the one that let us put the first one and the second panel on, so we will never make mistake on the feeding the parts in advance, let's say. We have then the spindle model with the diamond tools up to 64 millimeters. This is to guarantee a working process from a minimum of 8 millimeter thick panels up to 60 millimeter thick panels. Then we can go further and we can open the first hooks on the machine. Here we can see the glue pot area and the side pressure guide. So we have a dedicated motor for the glue pot, a quick release for glue pot, and fusion from top. So here we can press the granulate glue, EVA, and then it will be melted straight on inside the glue. This is to avoid having burned glue inside the glue pot and also give us possibility to work in a good way and only use the specific glue that we need. Automatic release of the glue pot together with the machine with delivery, also second glue pot for PUR glue in case customer need. Loading device for solid goods, and then we have an independent motor for the side pressure roller. This is also electronic, so we can move it in and out from the control, and we have 4 rollers, 4 side pressure rollers. In the entrance area, I forgot to tell you that we have the liquid for anti-adhesive, and also we have the infrared lamp to warm up the side fence of the panel. Then we go more ahead here. Then we have hand trimming, 2 blades, controlled by the touchscreen, so we can also tilt it pneumatically. Liquid to protect the edge, to avoid any scratch, any lines. Then we have top and bottom trimming, electronic with 2 radius. Radius 1, radius 2, up to solid wood and up to 0.4. All this can be regulated and adjusted straight from the computer, from the touchscreen. These are the rounding units. We have 2 units, 2 motor, one for bottom, one for top, electronic also. Then we have the edge scraper, and then we have the glue scraper. Then we have the buffing unit. Of course, the glue scraper has on-off, and the edge scraper has the double radius, radius 1, radius 2. This is the feeding motor that is standing out of the machine frame, and in the end we have the liquid for making the edge shining. You can also see maybe in the other side. This is from where we are going to collect. From where we collect to avoid to have the PVC going up on the dust collector, which is flammable material, so we have to stay there. Machine is feeding in 2 speeds, 12 meter and 16 meter per minute.